Today we are talking about the ACES Systems Cobra II. What is the Cobra II, you ask? The ACES Cobra II is a two-channel vibration and balancing analyzer that combines vibration analysis, rotor track and balance, and propeller balancing into a single portable unit. How does the Cobra II work? It collects and analyzes vibration data through its dual-channel inputs. Compatible with a wide range of sensors, the device converts real-time domain data into precise insights and delivers on-screen balance and vibration correction solutions. All data is stored internally or exported via USB, no PC or proprietary software required. How does the Cobra II improve maintenance efficiency? The two main improvements are fewer engine runs and quick setup and data transfer. Less runs means lower maintenance costs by reducing fuel burn and wear on the aircraft systems, which means faster turnaround times and more fleet availability. And USB support with downloadable data streamlines the balancing process. What kind of aircraft is the Cobra II designed for? The Cobra II is designed to support virtually all aircraft types, both fixed wing and rotary wing. It is particularly well suited for two-propeller airplanes, helicopters, jets, and turboprops that require engine vibration analysis. Want to know more about ACES Systems? Give us a call.